It is an expedition organized by Gaining Research Experience in Africa for Tomorrow called the Great Institute, a non-profit organization dedicated to interdisciplinary marine and coastal research. The expedition targeted high school students within the Greater Banjul area to enable them experience how to conduct research through biological sampling, chemical analysis, and physical measurements. Mayai Tal, the director of Great Institute, and Professor Daniel, aquatic physics group leader, Faculty of Science, University of Geneva, both highlighted the significance of the expedition, noting that the objective is to involve students in science.
Well, the rationale behind it is to get more students involved in marine science. One of our biggest resources here in the Gambia is the river, and unfortunately we don't have many professionals that are doing oceanography, limnology, or marine science. So we have a bunch of visiting scientists here from the University of Geneva, as well as Swansea University, and myself and my colleagues from Great Institute. So we've been teaching the students about the water quality of the River Gambia. So they've been measuring pH, DO, salinity, etc., as well as the greenhouse gases, CO2 and methane. We've also taught them about the weathering stations that we use to monitor air temperature, humidity, etc.
The Gambia's biological resources are vital to the population's economic and social development. As a result, there is a growing recognition in the Gambia that biological diversity is a global asset of tremendous value to the present and future generations. Kam Tang is a professor from Swansea University in the UK who exposed students to biological sampling of water. He stated that the Gambia is rich in biodiversity but faced with several direct threats, including the loss and fragmentation of the natural habitats.
The Gambia River or the Gambia water has a very high biodiversity and also very high production, which is good in general for fishery, for economics, socioeconomics. The concern is pollution. Because I can also see that there are a lot of development along the coast, and I also see a lot of rubbish going into the river, going into the coastline. So we need to be mindful of protecting the water quality and minimize the pollution and the destruction of the marine habitat.
Going to be participating in that project is, give them access to the boat, being able to sail on the River Gambia, and being part of this project, which is sail for mangroves in Gambia. Then basically the area of interest will be the mangroves. Being able to conduct some studies together with other universities, with Great Institute, but also with the University of Geneva and the Swansea University from the UK.
Participants are science students from various schools within and outside the Gambia who are set to pursue a career in scientific and research fields. Toby Borofis from American International School in Banjul said the expedition will have a positive impact on their studies.
It's a very important project that they're doing. Being able to manage the effects of climate change is very important. So I think in my school life, it'll definitely help to learn about it and be able to understand the future.
The trip is an opportunity for participants to gain a unique perspective of the relationship between water quality, coastal processes, fisheries, and economics. Janket Ture, GRTS News.